My name is Monica Perez, and I'm the head of customer success here at Notion. I work specifically with businesses that are implementing Notion across their business. Enterprises are really thinking critically about what are the right tools in the hands of their end users to be able to help them do the best work. It might not necessarily be legacy products. That kind of taking ownership of the decision-making process is a great opportunity for Notion to kind of step in. Most of my conversations with customers are building their ideal experience together. As if you were an artist, you start with that blank canvas. We will design it and build it together. You can then have that system. The creativity piece is super exciting. We believe that everybody at the company should know our customers. My team has this tremendous amount of empathy for what our customers are telling us. We make sure that they're actually really successful in using Notion and they know how to use it to its fullest capacity. That same importance and priority should ripple throughout the whole org.